welcome to my channel. This is Beauty Honest, also known as Abby. I'm going to show you how to get this makeup station for under $60. That's right, 60. And I'll show you online how much the prices are. So we're on IKEA.com. You can get the swivel chair for $19.99 either in the blue or the red. And also on IKEA, you can find the desk. It was actually more expensive for me when I bought it. So the desk right now, you can get for $24.99. Again, that's at IKEA. And then for the makeup holder, you can get my exact same one for $14.49. And if you are an Amazon Prime member, you can get free shipping. I think it's free 2-day shipping. And yes, free 2-day shipping if you have Amazon Prime. And I'm going to go ahead and calculate it up for you. So we have $14.49 plus the chair for $19.99 plus the desk for $24.99. That adds up to $59.47. And if you have an IKEA next to you, you will not have to pay for shipping. So that's great. With taxes, I'm not sure wherever you live, it will be a little different. So, all right. So this is the picture you'd see on Instagram. But reality, I share my makeup room with my son, with all of his stuff in his room, and there he is right there. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. You have a great day.